Ever found yourself glued to a TradingView chart, spotting a potential trade, and thinking, man, I wish I could just execute this right here? You're not alone. It's a question that pops into the minds of many traders, whether you're just starting out or you've been charting the markets for years. The allure of seamless analysis and execution within a single platform is undeniably strong. So, let's dive straight into it. Can you actually buy and sell directly on TradingView? The short answer, and perhaps a bit of a spoiler, is both yes and no. Confused? Let me explain. TradingView, at its core, is a powerful charting and social networking platform for traders and investors. It's where millions come to analyze price action, utilize a vast array of technical indicators, backtest strategies, and share ideas with a vibrant community. Its charting tools are second to none, offering incredible flexibility and customization. You can draw trend lines, Fibonacci retracements, pitchforks, and practically any technical analysis tool you can think of. The platform supports a wide range of assets, from stocks and forex to cryptocurrencies and commodities, making it a central hub for market enthusiasts worldwide. Furthermore, TradingView boasts a robust PineScript language, allowing users to create their own custom indicators and trading strategies. This level of customization is a significant draw for those who want to tailor their analysis to their specific needs and preferences. The platform's social features are also noteworthy, enabling traders to follow and interact with others, learn from their insights, and participate in discussions. This collaborative environment fosters a sense of community and shared learning. However, TradingView itself is not a brokerage. It doesn't hold your funds or directly execute trades. Think of it as your state-of-the-art analysis center. You can meticulously plan your trades, identify entry and exit points, and even set up alerts to notify you when your price targets are hit. But when it comes to actually placing that buy or sell order, you'll need to connect TradingView to a supported brokerage account. This is where the yes part of the answer comes in. TradingView has integrated with a growing number of brokers, allowing you to trade directly from their platform. Once you've linked your brokerage account, you can execute trades, manage your positions, and view your account balance without ever having to leave the TradingView interface. This integration provides a significant convenience, streamlining the trading process and allowing for quicker execution based on your analysis. The list of supported brokers is constantly expanding, and it includes well-known names in the industry. The specific brokers available to you will often depend on your geographical location. It's crucial to check TradingView's website or within the platform itself to see which brokers are currently supported in your region. So, while TradingView doesn't act as a broker itself, its integration capabilities effectively allow you to buy and sell. You get the best of both worlds, the powerful analytical tools of TradingView combined with the execution capabilities of your chosen broker. This synergy creates a seamless trading experience that many find invaluable. You can't directly deposit funds and trade solely through TradingView. You need a separate account with a supported broker. However, the platform's integration with these brokers enables you to execute trades based on your TradingView analysis, making it a powerful tool for active traders. It bridges the gap between analysis and action, providing a more efficient and streamlined workflow. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.